All right, let's jump right in. What if I told you that you could build a legitimate, profitable business with just one 7-second action? It sounds kind of like a gimmick, I know, but it's the core of a really powerful t-shirt business model that we're going to break down today. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. A whole business in 7 seconds? Is that even possible? It's a super bold claim, right? But stick with me, because as we're going to see, that one single idea is the key to this entire system. So what is this 7-second action? Well, it's literally the time it takes to press a heat transfer onto a blank t-shirt. That's it. That one little moment is the engine that drives this whole quick profit model, and it's what makes this whole thing so incredibly accessible. Okay, but to really get the power of this simple idea, you have to understand the story of the guy who came up with it, Erastus Snow. Because honestly, his journey is what makes this whole thing so incredible. Just look at this timeline for a second. His story is wow. I mean, he comes to the US from a war-torn country, gets into some serious trouble, ends up with a felony record. Basically, every door that could be slammed in his face was. And it was from that place, from having absolutely nothing, that he was forced to figure out a business model so simple, so focused, that literally anyone could do it. And this right here, this was his why, the thing that pushed him. His drive to see his mother again wasn't just some personal goal. It became the fuel for creating a business that could tear down the very same walls that were holding him back. So how did he do it? How do you go from all that struggle to a breakthrough business idea? Well, it all boils down to one simple, powerful philosophy. He basically looked at the t-shirt industry and rejected the single biggest, most expensive rule, the idea that you have to own all this complicated printing equipment to succeed. And this is the aha moment. The whole idea is to outsource. You stop thinking of yourself as a printer who has to do everything, and you start thinking like a smart business owner who leverages other people's expertise. You let other companies handle the messy printing part, so you can focus on the stuff that actually makes you money. I mean, just look at this comparison. It's a no-brainer, right? On one hand, you're looking at a massive investment, a huge learning curve, and basically becoming a full-time tech support specialist for your own printer. Or you can outsource. Zero investment in equipment, no maintenance, no headaches. You just get to focus on what you're good at, creating cool designs and finding customers. All right, so we get the philosophy. Now let's get practical. Let's break down the actual step-by-step blueprint you can use to get your own 7-second t-shirt business up and running. It really just boils down to these 4 things. Get the tool, get the shirts, make the design, and order the transfers. And you know what's not on this list? A fancy logo, a business license, a complicated website. You don't need any of that to start. The goal right now is just one thing: get that first sale. Okay, step 1. This is it. This is the only machine you actually need to own: the heat press. It might not look like much, but this is the heart of the whole operation. It's what guarantees the right time, temperature, and pressure to make sure your prints look professional and actually last. Now, you don't have to go out and spend a fortune. You can definitely start with a more affordable press from a place like Amazon. But if you're serious about this, this is the one piece of equipment you'll want to invest in. Getting a quality press means your prints will be consistent, and you'll save yourself a ton of frustration down the road. Step 2, the shirts themselves. And here's the beautiful part of this model. You do not need a garage filled with boxes of t-shirts. Nope, you just order them as you need them from wholesale suppliers. It's super low risk and makes getting started so much easier. And this is where you start to think strategically. Who are you selling to? If it's for a one-off event, a simple, cost-effective shirt like a Gildan is perfect. But if you're building a brand, you'll want to go with something softer, more retail-ready, like a Bella canvas. Matching the shirt to the customer is absolutely key. Okay, step 3, design. And listen, if the thought of opening up Photoshop gives you anxiety, just relax. The game has totally changed. You don't need to be a graphic designer anymore. There are so many user-friendly tools out there now that make creating amazing designs ridiculously easy. Take a tool like Kittl, for example. For a small monthly fee, you get thousands of templates, AI to help you generate images, one-click background removal. I mean, you can even upload a crappy low-res image and it'll fix it for you. The whole "I can't draw" excuse, it's gone. It's officially dead. All right, step 4. You've got your design. Now you just email that file to a transfer company. That's their job. They're the pros. They take your digital idea and turn it into a physical, high-quality transfer that's ready to be pressed onto a shirt. It's so simple and so cost-effective. Okay, pay attention here, because this is where you can really make or break your profit margins. You have to pick the right type of transfer. If you've got a small order or a design with tons of colors, you're going to want to go with DTF, or direct-to-film transfers. But if you're doing a bigger run, say 25 shirts or more with just a few colors, screen-printed transfers are the way to go. You can get those for pennies, literally pennies.
So you've got the blueprint, you've got the tools, but that's only half of it, right? To actually make this work, you need the right mindset. And Erastus boils it all down to what he calls the 3 C's. This is the secret sauce. The first C is clarity. You have to be crystal clear on who you're serving. Don't just sell t-shirts. That's too broad. Instead, sell hilarious t-shirts for cat owners or vintage-style shirts for local hikers. When you have that kind of focus, your marketing becomes 1,000 times easier. The second C is confidence. You have to be willing to just say yes and figure it out later. Remember Erastus? He took on a huge order before he even had a heat press. That's the kind of bold action it takes to turn an idea into a real business. And the last one, commitment. Let's be real. You're going to have days where nothing goes right and you just want to quit. We all do. That's where commitment comes in. It's what keeps you going. It's the fuel that gets you through those tough days and helps you build something that actually lasts. So when you boil it all down, what's the big lesson here? It's this: simplicity is profitability. By outsourcing all the complicated, expensive, time-sucking stuff, you free yourself up to focus on the only 2 things that actually grow your business: selling and creating. And really, this whole model isn't just about t-shirts. It's a lesson in strategy. It's about looking at any business idea and asking, what's the biggest, most complicated part, and how can I get rid of it? So let me leave you with this question. If you removed that one huge obstacle from your business idea, what could you achieve? Thanks for watching.